Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how I styled my short fussy natural hair into two puffs. I actually started my natural hair journey back in March of this year after doing the big job. It's been an exciting journey and I'm loving the new ways to style my hair that I've been learning lately. This two puff hairstyle is just so perfect if you're like me and you have shorter hair, and it's super quick and easy to do. I parted my hair into two parts. I needed like a front section and a back section to make the puffs. My part was not so perfect, it was not so clean, but I just didn't stress too much about it. I just continued anyway. I applied my gummy gel on the back section to just define and give that sleek look without like too much flaking. I then used a brush to just gently smooth the gel into my hair. I secured the section with an elastic band and just pulled some hair off to just make my little puff look a little bit big. I did the same on the front section, but I needed the front section to be sleeker than the back one, so I applied a little bit more gel than the back section. After applying the gel and smoothing out the section, I just grabbed my elastic band and secured the front section into a puff. I added a bit more gel on the edges to just lay them. Not too much, but just swooping here and there to just perfect it out. And I did the same on the other side, laid the edges, and that was basically it. This is a really simple look that you can achieve even in less than 5 minutes. This is basically the look, very simple and really quick. I just then pulled the hair using my hands to just fluff it out. I even used later on a comb to just fluff the hair out to add a little bit more volume. So here is the final look. I love how simple and cute this style is. It's very perfect for everyday wear if you want. If you'd love to see more of natural hairstyles, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.